Welcome back, guys. So now we'll be working on links and images, how to work on links, how to navigate from one page to another, and how to add images. So first of all, let's work on the links. But before we start with the link, I would love to create some folder, some file. So let me name this about.html. Let me have another file. Let me have this to be contact.html. Right. So let me just have some headings saying this is the contact page, and have some words. Let me just have lorem. Okay, so let me also go back to the about page, having some headings. This is the about page. Okay, so let's go back. So to locate the about page from my website, so let me first of all open this with my live server. Okay, then let me have this to be the main page. H1 welcome page. So we have this welcome page. I would love to comment out these headings. Okay, right, or let me just comment out these other for text formats. So now we have the welcome page. How do I locate from my welcome page? How can I navigate to my about page? So to do that, I will simply do what? Just come over here. Oh, I can actually work on after this page, and let me have link or navigate to another page. Okay, so to do that, I will use my hyperlink, which is the a tag, press my enter. The href is the location of where I want it to go, so I'll simply do / about page. Then I'll have the content to be to about page. All right, so let me just open up my browser and click on this. So when I click on this, it's going to take me to the about page. So let me go back from my browser and show you guys again. So when I click on this, it's going to take me to the about page. Then what is now left for us to do? I would just love us to also be able to navigate from the about page to the main page and also to the contact page. So let's do that. To do that, we'll simply go to the about page and have some links here and say what? href. Then the index page is the about page. The main page is the index page. So I'll do / index.html. Then this content will be to the main page. So when I reload, or okay, let me just open this with my live server as well. All right, so I have this link over here to the main page. When I click on this, it's going to take me to the main page, and when I click on the about page, I can also navigate to the about page from the main page. Now what is left for us to do is also to be able to navigate to the contact page. So same as we did for the index page in the about page, we'll also do it for the contact as well. So href / contact.html, then the text will be to contact page. So refresh or reload, then we have to the contact page. Now I would love to just break this link, and I will have to do that. I'll use the br tag after the index link. Okay, open with live server, then boom. So when I click on the contact page link, it's going to take me to the page. Right, so now what is left for us to do is to add the link for the home page and for the about page to this contact page as well. So we'll be able to navigate to the about page and also to the main page. To do that, we'll have to go to the contact page and also create some links. So the first one is the index link. So I can just simply navigate it and do index.html and say what to main page, then have a break tag, it link, and towards about.html. Then this will be to about page. So let me right click and open the about the contact page with my HTML, with my live server rather. So we have this. So from my contact page I can go to the main page. From my from my main page there is no way I can access the contact page, so I'll also add my contact link to my main page. So to do that, let's go to our main page, which is our index page. Let's have a break, br, then a, then contact.html. Then this is the content will be to contact page. Right click and open with our live server. So simple as that, we've been able to navigate from our contact page to the home page. So from the home page we can go to the about page. From the about page we can go back to the main page or to the contact page. All right, so that is how we simply use to navigate. That's just the simple way to navigate from one page to another with HTML. All right, now what we have to do now is to add image. So I'll come to the index page and add some image. Let me open this with live server. So I'll be adding some images here. So to do that, I'll simply before doing that, let me add some image to my folder. So I'll go back to my desktop. This is my folder over here. Then I will bring some images. So I think I have some images here. All right, let me just copy this and this, paste it in my folder. Now I'll create a file or a folder called images. Then in the image folder, I'll just paste my two images there. So let's give this one image 1. Oh, sorry, image 1, and this, let's rename this to be image 2. Right now, so we have some images. Now we want to bring these images to our website, to our index.html page. So what we have to do is to use the image tag, which is img. Then the source is where the image is. So to get the source of that image, we'll have to call in the folder name, which is what images/image1. Then the alt will be, that is the alternative, will be my image. So if the alternative is that when this is not working, if this is not working, then this should show. Right, so let's open with our live server, and yes, we have the image, but the image is very wide and large. So to do that, I will be giving it an attribute of width of 500 pixels just to adjust the image. So boom, the image is in. Let's add another image. We can simply do what img/img source. Then we can also do /images, then image 2. Now the image 2 is also there, but it's very large, so we still have to add some width attribute and give it 500 pixels as well. Okay, it has worked. So our images are now working and it's now showing. So that's just how to navigate from pages to from pages, and how to input images, how to insert images into our website.